Welcome to this webcast. This is the third video in the series of Canva, absolute beginner guide for a Canva. In this video I am share you how you can edit text or you can add text in your design. So I am already logged in with the Canva and I highly recommend it to subscribe for a pro version of a Canva. So a lot of features are available in a pro version. So I am going to create a new for a YouTube thumbnail. Right, so this is a blank canvas where you can do a lot of things. You can use a template, you can upload image, you can edit, draw, or a lot of things are available. So we are just going to explore a text. So here are a lot of options are available. For example, some built-in templates you can modify, you can double click on it, or you can directly use. Mostly I am using this heading and drag and drop. This is a subheading, and add little bit of a body or small body if you want to add a text. One way is that you have to drag. Second way is double click. When you double click it, you can find it automatically add. So here Control Z. Second way is undo. So I am going to undo a lot of text. So I am going to write a heading, how to write a better post. Right, I'm just adding some text. So here you can see Canva provide one option that they can give you a better title. If you click on it, let's see what it create. It asks me a create writing, short term, rewrite, fun, more formal, and fixing spelling. So I'm going to rewrite. Amazingly, it man changed the title into tips for crafting a stronger post. Amazingly. Now that we can change the font. For example, I want to check for this font. I click on this and font is also changed. This, and there are a lot of canvas font is changing at runtime. So you can view what is results. So in this way we can change our text. Similarly, if I'm going for this, you can see here we can also write it. Text is there, and if we want to change the text font size, so either we have to write directly here, click on here and change it. You can see text is changed, or you can increase, decrease by plus or minus. Similar way we can change the text color. For this we have to click here, and here are license plate which can be used. For example, I want to click on this color and my whole text will be changed, or I have to click on this color, the whole text will be going to change. And similar way and more, we can add more colors. If you want, you can add more colors here and there, and even you have a picker. For example, I want to pick this color. You can see the color is picked. So in this way you can modify the color of your text, the text that you can add in your design. And if this, then definitely we have more options. Okay, done. More options, we can set it up bold, italic, underline, and strike through. That means most of the time when I was using in a Word, Microsoft Word, it means that it is cut, it is already done or replaced with a new text. So we can do that. And similar way the uppercase. For example, if I select this and click on this, so you can see it convert into whole text into uppercase. The option for alignment, left alignment, right alignment. So if I have a paragraph, then certainly it will be give me a more paste here. So first of all, text is big, so I am going to minimize it. Right, and now I select it and I can select it, and I can use alignment, left, right, central. Similar way I can convert into bullet points, and even if I double click on it, bullets, double click, it convert into a number bulleted. Then there will be a spacing. We can increase the spacing between the words, and I can decrease the spaces between the lines, or anchor text by this we can set up, and you can see we can move the spaces, and letter spacing is also there. Then there will be come for effects. I am going back and copy this text into a third page, add more page. I'm pasting here. Right now it asks me a different types of effects, like it can be drop a shadow, it will be outlined, and thickness can be increased or decreased by this way. Outlines color option is there. I am going to change it to this color, outline, and or I going to create a red. Similar, we can modify it. Different types of options are available. Even we can make it to a curve or a single word. I'm going to select this, and text will be, color will be a red, right? And direction, even we can blur it. Direction will be you can see the direction will be of shadow will be moving where you want to put the direction of a text, direction of a shadow, right? And I'm selecting this. Then comes the animation. So here will be a different options. For example, if you want to going to create a presentation, certainly that is not for a thumbnail or a banner. That is used for if you going to create some kind of presentation or small videos as export as a video, then this option will be a more effective. So for example, if I select this, it's coming something like that. If this, it will be automatically as I click or hover on a button or option, it will give me the demonstration. Similarly, it's coming from fade, it coming from blur. You can see it's writing. This is a pop-up. This all options are animations or options are available. And similar, then we have a writing options. Tips for crafting a stronger post. It's up to you which option you want to select. Similarly, it's some kind of, so a lot of options are available. And this you can say it's like a motion effect. It's up to you which animation option you want to click. And here is a presentation setting, that when you accept this functionality on a text, and if you click on it, this option is available only when you click on it, and when the presentation is published, right? Similar way, now I'm going back to my text editor. Animation option is gone, done. You can see it create a presentation because we have effects. Here text, and I am going to add join now, right? And now if I go on a position, it gives me that I have a two group objects here. So you can see text is in a group. You can even ungroup these texts. Now I have a two objects instead to a group. And now these three objects I can move up and down. These are used when you animate all those things. For example, I want to up for a tips for a stranger, first print now, then tips for a crafting, and then John. and I can animate it. Like this comes from a join. When I go back a position, and again for a effect, then go for a ABC, and then again for a position, and now comes for animation as typewriter. So if I click on a presentation, you can see these comes with respect to position I set. This is the quick overview of a text editing inside the Canva. The text you want to add in your video or thumbnail or a banner, and how you can drag and drop, how you can directly write, how you can copy paste, how you can change the font, how you can increase or decrease the font size, how you can add, you can change your color of a font, how you create an effect, and how you can create some animation. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.